Welcome to my channel Back to School. Children, today in this video we will learn words starting with letter C. So let's start. Cow. Cow means guy. Camel. Camel means ऊंट. Candle. Candle means मोमबत्ती. Cat. Cat means बिल्ली. Crown. Crown means ताज. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means कोयल. Clock. Clock means घड़ी. Close. Close means बंद. City. City means शहर. Cloud. Cloud means बादल. Clean. Clean means साफ. Chair. Chair means कुर्सी. Call. Call means बुलाना या पुकारना. Car. Car means गाड़ी. Clap. Clap means ताली बजाना. Clothes. Clothes means कपड़े. Catch. Catch means पकड़ना. Carrot. Carrot means गाजर. Cup. Cup means cup. Cap. Cap means टोपी. Cut. Cut means काटना. Cabbage. Cabbage means पत्ता गोभी. Come. Come means आना. Cucumber. Cucumber means खीरा. Cold. Cold means ठंडा. Crocodile. Crocodile means मगरमच्छ. Cashew. Cashew means काजू. Coin. Coin means सिक्का. Comb. Comb means कंघी. Country. Country means देश. Colorful. Colorful means रंग बिरंगा. Cactus. Cactus means cactus. Coconut. Coconut means नारियल. Crow. Crow means कौवा. Cotton. Cotton means सूती. Crackers. Crackers means पटाखे. Circle. Circle means वृत्त या गोला. Cage. Cage means पिंजरा. Correct. Correct means सही. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Crawl. Crawl means रेंगना. Cruel. Cruel means निर्दयी. Care. Care means देखभाल. Child. Child means बच्चा. Cry. Cry means रोना. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.